Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the record section, which is mostly used in MS Access database. And the function of this record ribbon is very important. So let's start. So first of all, what I'm going to do, simply I'm going to write this something here. For example, I'm going to write this one here, and after that, I'm going to write the name, for example, Safir here. And then simply I'm going to add some information here, like select the date here. Now let's click on this. So as you can see, this one is known as the record section. And if you want to enter a new entry, then you need to click on the new, and you will be here. And after that, if you want to save this, simply you need to click on the save, and now it will be saved. So as you can see, if you want to refresh, you can also do that. As you can see, has an option for the refresh and refresh all. If you click on the refresh, your whole table will be refreshed. If you click on this, and simply your data will be refreshed. So I'm going to click on this, and now if you want to click on this, you can also do that. It's up to you. Here's an option for the spelling. If you want to check out the spelling, you can also do that. If you want to check out the spelling, you can also do that. Some options are provided here, like the ignore, change, and all the things are here. You can also use them. And here's an option for the more. If you want to increase the row height or the column height or the width as well, you can also do that. Let's click on this, and let's click on this and click on the row height. So for example, I want to increase, like I'm going to write the 16 here. Simply click on the OK. So as you can see, now the height is increased. If you want to increase again, you can also do that. And now as you can see, now it's 20. If you want to increase the width, you can also do that. As you can see, has an option for this. And now I'm going to write the, for example, 20 here. And now press the OK, it will be increased. So in this way, you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the record section. So see you guys in the next video.